Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm coming to you guys from New York City. I'm in the Chelsea neighborhood here in Manhattan, and today I'm going to bring you guys along. We're going to go into the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. There's only 5 of these in the world: New York City, Shanghai, Seattle, Milan, and Tokyo. And there's going to be one opening up soon in Chicago. And by the way, guys, I am not being sponsored to make this video. This is just me willing to bring you guys along because I do enjoy coffee, and while I'm not a big Starbucks fan, this is not your typical Starbucks. So we're gonna go inside, check it out, and see what this experience is like. Let's go ahead and go inside. Definitely not your grab and go type of joint. It's pretty amazing. First impressions. I'm up here on the Arriaviamo Bar, which is a full-on liquor bar, and they got plenty of areas to lounge and just hang out, have a drink. And as you can see here, they are roasting the coffee. They got this system right here, but I'm gonna go down there and check it out. Just wanted to come up here because as soon as you come through, you can run into this right here on the left-hand side. Alright guys, so I just ordered. I'm gonna try the Guatemalan coffee, and I decided to go with the siphoning method, which is an old method that was used back in the 1830s by a German chemist, and it's actually they use like the halogen light bulb to brew the coffee. It's a really interesting method. It's one of the oldest methods, and the barista was telling me that it actually is probably like the hottest way to get the coffee, and it has that full body flavor in it, so we're gonna go try it out. Alright, so this is the actual coffee that we're having right now. It's the Guatemala Antigua from the Santa Clara estate in Guatemala. Good stuff right here. While I was here, I decided to pick up one of the Starbucks Reserve coffee passport, and it's pretty cool because you can log in what coffee you had at these coffee shops. And for example, I got the Guatemala Antigua card here from the Santa Clara estate, and you can put in here the date, the coffee, the processing, the acidity. You know, basically for you coffee nerds, I recommend you guys get one of these. Pretty cool. Where's this from?
We have 2 origins. One is from Brazil, one is from Colombia. Okay. Those are the 2 coffees we blend together to make this coffee.
So here they have their roaster, and they dump the coffee the coffee beans right there to spin them and cool them off because they come out really hot. But yeah, that's the roaster there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do recommend you make a quick stop here. Or not a quick stop, but make a stop here at the Chelsea location. Again, this is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. It's a great experience. The ambiance is really nice. The menu is really good. Great selection of coffee. And they do have a full bar up there serving full liquor. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions, any other suggestions you have for me on these New York videos. I'd appreciate it. Comment down below. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.